Welcome to Cars and Coding. Today we have a coolant leak on the 2010 Audi A4 Quattro. See here, coolant is low. You see evidence of spraying on here. Let's take off the cover and see what we got. Let's see best over here. Can you see down in there? There, you can see leaking right there. Oh, there you can see it. Okay. That's where it's leaking. This is Coolant Flange URO 130-13950. So I need a T30 to take this off, maybe a pick. Let's try it. First thing we're gonna do is right down here, push on these two tabs to get this connector off, because that's what goes on here. Right here. This thing was so weak. This part broke right off. Like all I did is touch it and it broke off. And then the pipe, I took the clamp off, and this part broke off too. Oh, you know what? I think I might be screwed now, because that was yeah, that wasn't supposed to come off, because that hose is supposed to go on this nipple here, but it broke off internally. I don't know. Oh, this is really bad. Okay. Well, here it is. Oh no. Broke off inside. It broke off inside too. This is really sad. Just a horrible situation now. The whole thing broke apart. And it broke off inside. Great. Alright, so now we got the part from Amazon. 8K1819371AB. The hose. Let's open it. So now the question is, so it fits on there good. So this is good. This hose right here was $16 from Amazon, and I paid $10 to have it shipped overnight. So that's great, because normally this is like $100 or more from Audi. So now the question is, do I try to fish it through the firewall, or do I just cut it off? Like maybe cut it here somewhere and just try to like connect it together with one of these guys. So we're gonna try to figure that out. Alright, I got it out of there. It wasn't that bad. Yeah, I basically just moved the clamp up here, and then I used the whole hose removal pick. Looks like this, and just got it out, and then I pulled it through the hole. It wasn't that bad. So now we're gonna fish the new one in there. I'll lube it up with some silicone grease and try to shove it in there. Alright, so I got some Seal Glide brake lubricant. This is good for pretty much any kind of rubber. And I'm just gonna put a little on here. Slide in. Slippery. Slide, slide, slippity slide. Going in. Alright, got it. Alright, I'll give you a shot what it looks like. Down there. There you can see it. It's gonna go on there. Alright, it's all put back together. Job well done. If you like my video, subscribe to my channel. Here or here. The links. Click the links. Okay, click the links.